A very warm welcome from Robertson Homes at Thorn View in Bearsden. We are so excited to introduce this stunning flagship development which is situated right in the heart of the town. My name is Diane. I have been part of the Robertson Homes team in the west of Scotland now for over 5 years. Thorn View will offer 47 luxury 4, 5 and 6 bedroom detached properties from the Artistry collection. Each home will include a signature garden room, ensuring lots of light, open plan and airy spaces. There really is plenty to explore and enjoy outdoors with Mugged Up Country Park, Kilmerdinny Loch and the West Highland Way route. Bearsden has always been extremely popular with families. Local Academy has twice been acclaimed Scottish State School of the Year by the Sunday Times. It really is a very special place that has everything you could wish for and more. I am really looking forward to the development launching and assisting all of our visitors in the search for their dream home at Thorn View, Bearsden Golf Club.